Hi there, this is Javier Revuelta from revuelta.io, and in this video we are going to continue to create our WordPress theme. In the last video we finished with our WordPress theme here and with our pages are blank. That is because we have nothing in our index PHP. So for that reason, we don't have anything in our site. We are going to create first the pages of this project. Then we are going to create the header and the footer, and we are going to add some the style CSS page and another font from Google Font. In the first part, we are going to create the pages that we are going to need in this project. We have to create the index page, the services page, about us, and a contact page. So this is the index page. It's just for the creation, so we have to do nothing more than create these pages. Then we are going to create the services page. Other one with the about us. And the last one, contact. Okay, these pages we have no visibility because for our theme we have nothing in this page. So our first option is to create another file with the name page.php. Okay, and in this first we are going to create with just one function from WordPress we can show the content, and it's very easy for us. Okay, if we have this for our PHP code, the function is the content. Yes, very easy. Okay, we are going to use in our home page index. Okay, why no we are not getting nothing? It's because we have not this function in the index. Okay, we need it. Okay, the title and the content. Okay. Okay, so if we have in our page.php the title and the content, we have our title. Yes, at this moment is nothing, but this is the first page, and if we have some content, we can use, if we go to the backend and in index page, our index page. Okay, it's working. So the next part is to use the header and the footer. Okay, as you can imagine, for a HTML file, we use this form. Okay, we have here the header and here the footer. So we are going to create the header.php and using this part, okay, and the footer, creating our footer.php page is this. So what do you need for your footer and your header page? You need first to add in your PHP the header, title, content, and the footer. We are in the index page and we have to work in the page PHP actually. Okay. The header. Okay, this is we have no this function. Okay, we have to add get header, then get footer, and we are going to copy this to the page because this is where we are going to work. Okay, it's working. Okay, we have to add get header, then get footer, and we are going to copy this to the page because this is where we are going to work. Now we're going to create our functions PHP. So here we add a new file .php. Okay, this page is a PHP page where we open it, but we have to we don't have to close. So in this part, we are going to create the function to add our style files. So function, our name is going to be testing team script, for example. And always in WordPress you have to add where you are going to use this function. With add action, we are going to use it in the WP and QA script. And here we add our function. Okay, we use WP and QA and style here, and in the snippet you can see we have the handle string, then the URL, dependencies, version, and media if you have. We have no media, so we are going to use all of the other ones. The name could be, for example, testing in CSS. The style URL, you have a WordPress function that is get style sheet URI. We have no dependencies, so we use an empty array. This is the first version, so the 1.0.0. This is important for the cache plugins, so you have to use this version in order to use it with a cache plugin. Okay, we have finished. And then we are going to here to add the WP head function. Okay, with this function we use the WordPress head function that is going to use this WP and QA script. To use it, to test it, we are going to use an HTML background color red. Yes, something interesting for our eyes. Okay, here they say that in the functions line 7 we have a problem. Actions and QA script Serie. This is the problem. Let's try, yes. So we are connected to the CSS Style. Okay. Please. Okay, so we have the style file connected, and now we are going to add another CSS style. Okay, WP and QE style, and in this case we are going to use the Freedoka font. So I choose some Udoka, FreeDoka, some fonts. So the weight of 400 and the 700. For this situation, we are going to use just the URL. Okay, so we copy this URL and we're going to start with this new InQ style. Google Fonts, for example. In this case, we have the URL. We are not going to use dependencies. Okay, this is playing with me. The same, alright. Same version. Okay, and we can use it if we want. Font family, FreeDoka, sans serif. Okay, line 6, another. You can see this is always see what is the problem and correct it. Okay, so this is for the final of this video. In the next video we are going to keep improving this website. In this moment we have almost nothing. In the next one we are going to work with our header and we are going to improve the website. Thank you.